Leg training is an important aspect of a balanced full-body workout. It develops strength, speed, and stability. The leg muscles keep your body balanced, making it more stable. In this video, I'll tell you why leg day is so important. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! Which sports equipment in the gym is busy more often than others? Most often, men train the chest. Their main piece of equipment at the fitness club is the bench press. There are several reasons for that. First, the legs work much more than other parts of the body in everyday life. The muscles of the legs are stronger and bigger than the rest, which is why they are more difficult to train. Secondly, basic leg exercises are more uncomfortable because they put a lot of stress on the spine. Axial load, especially for an untrained athlete, is very traumatic. Thirdly, most men, even in summer, wear pants that hide their legs with all their shortcomings. So for many, it is important to have a toned and inflated torso and arms, but not legs. Ignoring the load on the legs reduces the effectiveness of training and also deprives the athlete of many beneficial effects. Let's take a look at them. Increasing testosterone production is one of the most important benefits of leg training. Due to the high load, the use of large weights, and the involvement of most of the muscle mass in the work, the body increases the synthesis of testosterone in order to restore muscles in the shortest possible time, build muscle, and better cope with the load. Testosterone itself provides a lot of beneficial effects for the body. The next benefit is an increase in muscle mass. 50% of all musculature is contained in the legs. Performing exercises aimed at developing the muscles of the legs, their volume and mass will increase. Leg workouts burn fat. By training the legs, body weight increases, but this is a quality mass, which is muscle fibers. Body fat, on the contrary, decreases. This is due to the fact that during intense exercise, heavy physical exercise accelerates metabolism. Fat burning occurs both during training and for a long time after due to hard recovery, which will require many resources. Leg workouts straighten the cardiovascular system. Such training improves blood circulation and straightens the heart muscle. Not only muscular endurance develops, but cardiovascular endurance develops too. The next point is aesthetic appearance and better proportions. Untrained legs will slow down the development of the upper body. There is also a risk of serious injury. If you don't load the legs and work out only upper body, overtraining will soon come due to the fact that the muscles won't have time to recover between workouts. How many times a week should you work out your legs? After hard and exhausting workouts, large muscles usually recover in about 7 days, and small ones from 1 to 2 days. It follows that the best option for the legs is 1 full workout per week. As a rule, most athletes work out on a 3-day split system. Chest and biceps are trained on Monday, back and triceps on Wednesday, and shoulders and legs on Friday. This scheme is familiar to many fitness center regulars, but it's far from working for everyone. Some athletes progress without problems from training their shoulders and legs on the same day, while others, on the contrary, don't see any results from such a system. In such a situation, it makes sense to set aside a separate training day for the legs, which you could devote to working on them. Leg training is the most important and effective way to improve health and prolong life. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon!